What's up, y'all? I'm back and I just finished eating my food and I'm sitting on the couch. You see I have my little blanket. I was sitting here editing a little video and I actually watching some YouTube. Yeah, I'm sitting here watching some YouTube and about to edit. Girl, I know this vlog is a real shicey, very short, didn't have much going on because we had a lot of, back and forth and stuff like that. We still got to go to his school on Friday. So I'm looking at, I hate vlogging on my phone because I see a lot of messages. But yeah, we got to go to his school on Friday and, get all the stuff out. Well, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. So let me get off of here. And I hope you guys enjoy a little bit of what's going on. Not too much, just eating and running around. All right, I'll see y'all later. Somebody knocked out sleep next to their mama. Okay, so he rushing me. Let me hurry up. I was gonna wear this dress. I was gonna wear that blue dress right there. Right here. Don't mind those clothes. I had to do a try on haul. But I see I can't. Yeah, I was gonna wear that, but now I'm gonna wear this Coca-Cola sweatshirt because the show be kind of cold. I know I'll be cold, and I ain't trying to be cold. Okay, so we're gonna put some gel on this hair. I wonder if I had that other kind of gel. I'll probably threw it away. But anyway, I kind of wet my hair a little bit. I applied this argan oil stuff. And the gel that I'm using today is called Instant Control. With a little black girl on there with the boofy. Okay. So first I try to get it the way that I would want it to be. Swoop it a little bit. Make sure I do the back. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of this cheese. A little shiny. I don't have a brush and I don't like using theirs. I'm gonna use this paddle brush and just bring it up. So use the paddle brush and try to bring everything together. Out of here. Hope this right. Looks kind of skimpy. I need a brush. wanted to wear a white t-shirt, but I figured the yellow and the band. And if it gets too hot for this sweater, I can just take it off and just wear my tank top. But why is my camera looking yellow? And that's the look, y'all. He rushing me. Alright, y'all, he rushing me. This is the look that I have going on. Hope you guys like. I'll see you guys a little bit later. I'll see y'all at the show.
You over here 6'2" with a toy in your hand. You give me a ball like normal black kids.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Brannygiz. I am at the show. Can't talk long because they playing music. You know how that go. I'm with my family. I'll see y'all a little bit later. Alright.
I want some pizza.
See y'all. What's up, y'all? It's Brannygiz. I'm back. We're back from the show. And I just came in and I started to cook. They ordered pizza. I decided to make a meal because I know that I'm gonna be at home and I'm gonna be hungry. I'm gonna sit right here. And y'all, I like things that stick to me. So yeah, your girl cooked. Oh, my phone, holding this camera phone. But yeah, your girl cooked my favorite, macaroni. I made baked sweet potatoes, some corn on the cob, and butter corn on the cob, and some skinless salmon. I was gonna make some spinach with that, but I'd rather have this. Bless you, baby. I'd rather have like the skin. What am I saying? I might make that on Monday. I'd rather have the spinach with cornbread. I like spinach and cornbread. And I might make some baked chicken. Yeah, because I have baked chicken in the oven. Yeah, so we had went to the show and we're back at home. We went to the show and then we went to, my face is oily, to Walmart. Got a couple of items and everything. But we realized that all the eggs, I'm sorry y'all, I feel like something's sticking on my arm. Yeah, I just realized that all the eggs are gone. We need eggs, and he didn't remind me that the eggs are out. So I'll see y'all a little bit later. We ain't getting nothing exciting, but I did find. I'm here! I'm here! We did. Why he acting up? He trying to make fun of me when I be yelling at him here in the videos because he be so loud. Y'all probably don't see some of that. Sometimes I just keep it in there because it is what it is. But I found my antibacterial Dove. I found the bigger one, the 22 ounce. Yeah, the 22 ounce was $7 and this was $9. And this is 34 ounce. So I'm like, they are really robbing. Because I remember it used to be $4 for the small one and about $6 or $7 for the big one. So now, yeah, I found it. A lot of y'all told me that they have it at a lot of y'all said that they have it at Family Dollar or either the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure, but we were in Walmart, so I ended up getting that along with some kaboom for the bathrooms. And lastly, some pine sol. I love the smell of pine sol when you come in the house. Fresh pine sol for the floors. And yeah, guys, that is about it. Not talking about much, girl, but my food is almost done. Their pizza is, he got pizza. So I'll see y'all a little bit later. Put my macaroni inside. I'm making baked sweet potatoes as well. Whew, it's hot. Now I have to, I'm thawing out these, salmon, skinless salmon, and I'm about to wash my dishes and clean them. So that's that. Okay, so I'm making my salmon, and I'm making it with butter and garlic and some seasonings. This is how my corn looks with the black pepper and salt, butter, and milk. Real nice and juicy. My mac and cheese, I need to sprinkle some parsley flakes. Yes, and I'm waiting. Whew. I'm waiting on my baked potato. I'm gonna probably let it stay in the oven for about maybe 5 more minutes. It should be done shortly. Alright, beauty, so I'm back. I have my let me turn this light on a little bit. I have my baked potato. I already put my butter and my brown sugar in here. Mix it up some. My corn on the cob. I made a little, well, I cut a little piece of the salmon, and here is my macaroni and cheese. Real nice and cheesy. And this was dessert, but I don't need this. I'm gonna eat it later, probably tomorrow. But bon appetit.